In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo in Miro. If you've ever undone something and immediately realized you actually needed it, the redo command will save you time and stress. Redo simply restores the most recent action you undid, bringing it back onto the board exactly as it was. You'll use it right after an undo, and you can apply it repeatedly to step forward through multiple undone actions. Let's start with the on-screen control. In the Miro interface, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a curved arrow pointing to the right. That's the redo button. Click that icon to redo your last undone action. You'll typically see your content reappear on the canvas, maybe a sticky note you deleted, a shape you moved, or text you edited. If nothing seems to happen, it usually means there isn't an action available to redo at that moment. Keep an eye on the canvas as you click. Visual changes confirm it worked. If you prefer working quickly from the keyboard, there's a shortcut for that. On Windows, press Ctrl+Y. On Mac, press Command+Shift+Z. These shortcuts do the exact same thing as the redo button, but they're faster, especially when you're in a flow. Make sure the Miro window is active so the keys register, and try to avoid pressing other modifier keys at the same time. On Mac in particular, that Shift key is important. Command+Shift+Z is the expected combination here. You can redo more than one action, one step at a time. After your first redo, keep clicking the redo button or continue pressing the shortcut to walk forward through your recent history. Each click or key press restores the next undone change in order. Watch the elements reappear or move back into place, and stop when your board looks the way you want. If you reach the end of what's available to redo, the button and shortcut won't change anything further. A quick tip to avoid surprises: redo only works when there's something to redo. If you undo and then you make a brand new change on the board, like drawing a new shape or typing fresh text, your redo stack resets. In other words, once you start making new edits, you can't redo the earlier undone actions. If you're unsure, redo first, then continue editing. That's all you need. Use the redo button in the bottom left, or press Ctrl+Y on Windows or Command+Shift+Z on Mac, and repeat as needed to step forward through your changes.